Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a quick update. I know I promised to give you demos from the HSU VTF-15H, but as we're looking at it right now, I got bit by the bug. This sub is just downright awesome. Simple. For a mid-range sub around $600, $650, near $700, it's probably the best thing you can buy in that price range. And I was so bitten by this that I had to know what better sounds like in this HSU range. I'm obsessed with the fact that they give you great musicality, very solid, deep, strong bass. And I was just so curious that I had to go get the Big Daddy. So guess what? I got that. Yeah, it's the VTF-15H MK2. This is the flagship of the HSU Research subwoofer line. Yeah, I bit the bullet and got it, and I just can't wait. I've cut the bottom of the box so that I can easily remove it and we can get inside very quickly. So let's see what it looks like inside. I removed the outer box, and of course a subwoofer this expensive and this bad must come with two boxes, so it's double boxed. See a little instruction here on how to remove it. So I'm going to be following this instruction. So we're going to be cutting the base and we're going to be lifting off and up. And clearly this is the bottom of the sub, so it's perfectly arranged and ready for the rest. But they packaged some stuff here. This is the accessories kit, which I suppose has the power cord. There you go. And the famous HSU demo CD. They actually give you a CD with a lot of audio sweeps and music, organ music, other forms of music with a lot of deep bass for you to give the sub a workout and actually test the functionality and the flavor of this sub. Alright, so we're going to flip her over right now. Alrighty, got her over, and remove these. These are a quick setup guide. Shows you the back panel of this, the VTF-15H MK2, HSU's Big Daddy, the flagship. Some more. This is the official manual, and I'll be sharing some more specs on this sub. I can quickly tell you that it's over 2,000 watts peak, 600 watts RMS. The VTF-2 MK5, this is 1400 watts peak, 350 RMS, and believe me, this is a beast. I mean, this literally shook the roof, the literal roof. I heard it shaking during the passage of some scenes. So can you imagine what this will do? Wow, the thought. Here it is. Okay, alrighty. So just to get this up. Alright, and I did so successfully. Get that out of the way. Alright, let's go around. It's pretty well packaged, I must say. I'm looking at the package that has come with it. This foam is very thick. Look how thick this foam is. And it's like encased in this foam, which is really good packaging. Of course, you're paying a pretty penny for this sub. All told, over $1,000, so it better be packaged properly. Let's remove this. So plastic and even more foam. This is just protective, thinly wrapped. And there it is. Wow, this looks imposing. This looks imposing. Like this is the VTF-15, and over there is the almost little VTF-2. Wow, look at this. This is crazy. Wow, it's taller, it's deeper, it's wider. Crazy. Okay, here's the front. Ooh, this really looks slick. It looks like the king of the family or the queen of the family. This looks like a flagship. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Wow. And there I reveal the 15-inch Big Daddy driver. Let's hear it. Wow, and look at the thickness of this surround. Wow. And then it has these triangle ports compared to the VTF-2s, which are circular and they're flared. So it's triangle flared ports, and they have foam plugs inside. Of course, part of the whole variable tuning frequency or VTF process that HSU uses. So two. You can look inside. You can quick look inside or closer. Two foam inserts. This is the VTF-2, right? And this is vinyl. This wrap is vinyl. I mean, it looks awesome. No seams or anything showing, but this is vinyl. But the VTF-15, it's real wood. Like it's polished wood, sprayed satin finish wood. This is real wood. No vinyl right here. This is not a vinyl wrap. This was sprayed. Wow, it's awesome. It feels so silky smooth. Look at that special sheen. Wow. Wow, again, this is what you're paying for. A close-up here of the inserts, the triangle port inserts, as we pull back to the rear of the sub. And the thing that stands out to me is the Xlr Inputs. You know, subs this expensive, flagship subs, normally come with Xlr Inputs, which tend to give you the best audio quality as it is being touted. And for regular connections, you have your inputs right here, your low-level inputs. And then you have your volume rocker, volume control. Across from that, you have your phase 0 and 180. Yep. And across from that, you've got the famous Q control. And this helps to tighten the amp, controls the amp to tighten the bass. Across from that, you have your crossover frequency. And of course, you know, depends on where you want to cross over the sub to your speakers. That speaks for itself. You decide whether you want the sub or the receiver to manage or to control the crossover. And here you've got the power, and you've the usual auto on and off. Looking at the quality, it's pretty thick. I'd say roughly the same material. I love the wrap on this. It's really, really nice. Very high quality wrap on this. Enough to let through audio, but still protecting the speaker or the driver. And this is the VTF-2. So almost the same thickness, I'd say. No difference there really, just the shape. Guys, just to give you an idea of the size difference between these two subs, look here. This is from front to back. Right? "26 inches compared to the VTF-2, which is 22 inches. And of course this is pretty high. Basically from ground up, I'd say 25 inches. And the VTF-2s from ground up are around 22 inches. Width wise, this is about 17.5 inches wide, and the VTF-2s are about 14.5 inches wide. It's gonna be living right here, and hopefully it fits. I'm sure I'm gonna have to move these towers a bit to get it in there, but that's where the VTF-2 was before I decided to move it to this side. So it's now gonna be on the right hand side, and then I'm gonna have this monster right here on the left hand side. And as we pull out, just to give you an idea, guys, of the scope and size of this thing, look at that. Look at that. And here are both subs beside each other in their rightful place. The VTF-2 on the right, VTF-2 Mark 5s. That's a 12-inch 1400 watts peak HSU subwoofer. And on the left is the flagship HSU, the VTF-15 Mark 2, with its triangular ports, and just look how it sticks out from my furniture compared right here to the VTF-2s. These are just barely out. These are way ahead. Can't wait to hear them. But before I go, let me just quickly run through some specs on these. I know you have many questions. Whatever questions you have, please put them down in the comment section. Please like this video and support this video and share it to all the people who are, if you're really interested in this sub and you want to know more, tell me all about it down below. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I've got a video right here of the VTF-2. I did an unboxing, and guys, please look out for demos. I'm going to be doing demos separately, and I'm going to be doing dual sub demos for both of these. As you guys know, I'm coming up from the Big America PL 200 Series 2s, and I'm now fully booked with HSU Research. Stay tuned for more, guys, and thanks for watching.